Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan, and although it's hard to tell under the thick layers of paint, this is a Superfast 9E AMX Javelin. The mold was introduced in the Matchbox Superfast line in 1972 and remained in production until 1977 when it was replaced by the Ford Escort RS2000. The first editions were always painted metallic green with either a chrome or black air intake scoop and opening doors. In 1976, a metallic blue version was issued in a twin pack with a horse trailer. In 1980 and 1981, the Javelin made a short reappearance in a couple of twin packs. This time, however, the doors were closed up. The Javelin was produced by American Motors Company or AMC and was the entrance of the company in the pony and muscle car segment. With this, AMC wanted to shed its economy car image and attract a more youthful audience. The Matchbox model is based on the second generation Javelin with its oversized wheel wells. Although performance packages were available for the Javelin, I have yet to come across one that has a huge engine air intake like the Matchbox model, so we can assume that this part of the model is fantasy. Well, it's a long shot from that shiny muscle car. My plan is to give this one a custom color and some nice new wheels. So let's get out the tools and give this model a makeover. The Javelin was AMC's shot at a more youthful audience of pony cars and muscle cars. It was reproduced by Matchbox in its Superfast range, however with a very exaggerated engine intake on the hood, which was either black or chrome. A pretty popular model that could be found in nearly every toy box, and often kids got creative with it, like with this specimen that got covered under thick layers of paint. I thought the paint had glued the doors shut, but this is a later model with the doors closed up. After metallic green and blue, Leslie issued the AMX Javelin in plain red later on, but never in metallic red. I tried to bring a little more realistic detailing into the model and give it a set of custom wheels from the Greenlight Mopar pack. It looks a little more decent now. If you enjoy my videos, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.